We've got a lot of rain to come across the western side of Scotland over the next 36 hours or so. This is the synoptic chart as we start Monday morning. It's a conveyor belt of fronts aligned to a southwesterly wind, and whenever we see that, there's the likelihood of some prolonged heavy rainfall. Orographic rainfall essentially is where the warm, moist air off the Atlantic runs into the western mountains, in this case across Scotland, is forced to rise and creates copious rainfall. Across the eastern side of the Highlands, in a rain shadow, you'll see very little as the air just moves across the hills, dries out, and there's nothing left to rain. Let's run the sequence then for you, starting off on Sunday afternoon, and the rain already on the leading edge of that system into the West Highlands. There's some heavy rain too for Dumfries and Galloway and into the Lake District as we go through Sunday evening into the first part of the night as that series of fronts moves in. But the focus of it becomes concentrated on the West Highlands as we go into Monday morning. Areas from about Loch Lomond, maybe a bit further north than that towards Mull, particularly western Loch Arbour, up to about Skye and Torridon. And this is running on in 3-hour steps into Monday. Some prolonged heavy falls of rain across those western hills. Notice how there's not very much reaching the eastern side. But out west, it's a pretty wet day all the way through. Maybe just later on, the heaviest falls becoming focused further north, and particularly as we go into Monday evening and night, it's more the northwest Highlands that see it, and eventually then into Tuesday morning, that frontal system will drift away further northwards as pressure begins to build from the south. The result of that is total rainfall getting towards or even in excess of 100 millimetres over those western hills over the next 36 hours or so. Pretty widely, 50 to 75 mil, even well inland across the West Highlands. But it's those spots, say west of Loch Linnhe out to Mull, across the road to the Isles region and across to Skye, that looks to be in the firing line for the very heaviest totals. So just be aware in those parts of the world for some surface water flooding. The streams will rise quite quickly, so those will be in spate into even Tuesday daytime. Just really want to be aware of then over the next couple of days. Temperatures are on the rise into the middle of the week, and that increasing humidity comes with the threat of some thunderstorms. That will be the story for the middle of the week. Keep an eye on the latest forecast, then updated every day with us on our website, and we'll keep you informed on social media as well. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.